buddy. Well, got the new RiderBag in. I'm not exactly sure of the term for it, but I'm calling it the RiderBag 2.0. A few more features. I'm going to be riding to a location and I'm going to be going over it real quick. So stay tuned for that.
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I see them long hard times to come.
Alright, so here we go. This is the new RiderBag. I'm gonna call it 2.0. It is kind of similar to the first one. Got a few new features to it. Don't believe this is on the first one. I was actually gonna bring the other one with me, but I didn't. It's got 2 belly straps, or well, you got a chest strap, belly strap, right? I don't know if that camera's gonna even see anything, but I got it on. It is actually pretty reflective, but it's really dull in the daylight. But at night, it's very reflective. Here's some bag. You know, these you adjust these so the bag will only fall open and for the distance that you want. Works pretty good. Side pocket. I do have the spine board in this one. I will not be pulling it out because it's kind of an asshole to get in and out. But there it is, spine board. Makes a hell of a difference. I didn't have the spine board on the other one, but it does make a hell of a difference. So let's start with the front one. I've already got my shit in here, so get over it. Alright, not a pocket or anything like that right here. You got the main big pocket, RiderBag card. Hey, what's up? We appreciate you. Good. RiderBag USA. Alright, so you got the main big one. You have a mesh. I got my GoPro cord in there. Another one. Nothing in it yet. That wasn't on the other one. The other one kind of had like just a splitter for the mesh. Then you've got this big pocket. My stickers, extra battery, stuff like that, right? There you go. So it's actually pretty good storage. So far so good. This is a new feature. Clasp, bottle opener, hex key. It's pretty cool. It also has a whistle, compass. Let's see if it works. I know where I'm at. Okay, so that's south, that's north, so not really not gonna rely on the compass. It's slowly turning. Anyways, okay, put that back together. But it has a compass, also has a whistle right there on the side, and then it has this cool little cutter. It doesn't really feel very sharp. And then I don't know what the hell that is. I was thinking it was a flint, but it's metal. But you're not going to flint it with that. At least not like that, you're not. No sparky. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna assume it's a flint, but it doesn't look like a flint. Anyways, so that's pretty cool. That's a new feature, and it does have. You can untie this. You can untie this, and then it's a paracord. So that's cool too. So this is a pretty cool new feature for this backpack. I really like that that's there. We'll zip this one back up. Some of the stuff I think is a little bit for show. Like, I don't know what this would be for, but whatever. It's there. What else have we got? Let's get into the bigger bag, the bigger side. All right, there we go. So this one here is your, I didn't show this in the other one. This one's actually different. I like this one a lot better. The other one I didn't like very much. It was real thin. It was solid material. This is for your helmet holder. You know, mostly bicycles. I did see Miss Icy with the other one. She had her motorcycle helmet on there. That's pretty cool. So it will hold a motorcycle helmet evidently. I'm sure this one will. I trust this one a lot. I don't know if I trust the clasp very much, but I'm willing to try it out. And then this one is a water resistant, maybe waterproof one too. Goes over it too. So that's pretty cool. And of course it's reflective. And we got a train coming. Oh yeah, my gimbal's in here. But I mean, you can kind of see this gimbal's pretty good size case. It's actually got quite a bit of room in there. It's a lot of room. And then Velcro strap to open up this back part and stick something in that side there. Works pretty good too. Usually if I'm riding, I usually put my iPad or something in there. On the other backpack, I'll trust this one a lot more now that I got that spine board. I didn't like doing it with the other one because I didn't have my spine board in there. I mean, that's pretty much it. There's not a whole bunch to it, but man, I do really like this one a lot more than the other one, just for those simple features. Oh wait, where's it at? Oh, here we go. Ah, what am I hooked on? Right here, headphones, where you can put your phone or whatever inside there, and you can run your headphones through there. I'm pretty sure you actually have to make the hole to go through there, and I'm not going to because it kind of defeats the purpose. This is not waterproof. This is water resistant. When you feel it, it kind of feels like a tint material, but like a really strong, thick tint. And I'm pretty sure it's kind of the same material they use, and that's what also makes it water resistant. Other side adjuster, zippers, 2 zippers for each bag, or I'm sorry, each pocket. So that's pretty much it. I really enjoy using these. I like these a lot. So go over and hit up RiderBag on Instagram, go to their website, and I'll see if they can't throw another code out soon and y'all can pick one of these up and maybe get a spine board too. So I'm gonna take some more pictures and then I'm gonna hop on the bike and I'll finish this video. So that's the RiderBag 2.0. That's what I'm calling it. I think it's a much better product than the last one, and I really like the other one. The first one I got, really like it. I like this one a lot better. So they made great improvements on it. I'm pretty happy with it. So everybody go to Instagram, hit up RiderBag, follow them, go to the website, check out what they got. And remember, I'm not getting paid for this. They sent me the backpack, asked me to review them. That's going to do it for this one. We're going to ride a little bit longer. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. If you're new here, you like what you see, hit that that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. It really helps us creators out. Share it. Get your friends to share it. I apologize if I'm not super enthusiastic. I'm like really fucking tired today. But you got to remember also about the bag, because I'm going back to that now. It's not really made for motorcyclers. Just kind of adapted into it and made it better for motorcyclers. It's more like a hiking backpack or bicycle backpack. But it actually works really great on motorcycles too. I'm not the only one that reviews them. There's a lot of people out there. Like I said, Miss Icy, she did one. There's a couple other people. I have no idea who they were. But anyways, let's end this video now. Like I said, like, share, comment. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so it'll tell you if I ever load up a video or not, if it actually works. Oh, that one didn't hurt very good. Didn't hurt very good. That didn't make any fucking sense at all. So, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.